Hey there, Tobie Love here with Cross Country Mortgage, and this week I'm coming to you with how to make an offer without a loan contingency when you need a loan, because typically that would be the case if you didn't have a loan if you were offering cash, then you could go in with no loan contingency. But how do you make an offer without a loan contingency if you need a loan? Before we get to that, please make sure you like, share, and comment. If you're finding value in these videos, please send them out to others or share them with others. So getting down to the answer to that question. So the way that you can make an offer without a loan contingency is, let us do a fast track loan approval for you. So what is a fast track loan approval? So fast track loan approval is where we underwrite your loan prior to you going out and house hunting. So you're going through all of the whole process versus just the pre-approval up front so that you're fully underwritten approved. All that we need to do is identify the property. So you've already been reviewed by an underwriter, there's conditions, there's a full underwriting approval. So that is how you make an offer without a loan contingency. It also will speed up your closing. So not only would you be able to make an offer without a loan contingency, but we may be able to close as fast as 10 to 15 days, depending on the property itself. So hope this helps. Again, please like, share, and comment, and I'll see you soon. Call me if you have any questions, 951-704-7421. Bye.